Hello, everybody. This is Dan. The verdict is in. The Hold Me Tight for Christian couples is really a wonderful experience for couples who are wanting to make their marriage better. And we have one coming up in the next couple of weeks. And the link below this video will give you the current information on where and what time. But I want to say a few things about Hold Me Tight and why it is so important for you and your spouse to attend. Hold Me Tight comes out of the work of Dr. Susan Johnson. She is the foundress and formator of emotionally focused couples therapy. It's one of the best researched, and really, from my experience now, it is the best therapeutic model as well as protocol for therapists who want to help couples really reconnect and reattune. So much of the distress husbands and wives experience in their relationship is because they're disconnected. And Hold Me Tight, but emotionally focused couples therapy especially, is really designed to get at the core of the problem for most couples, and that's that they're disconnected. They're not attuned with one another. Now, Susan Johnson, as I said, is the foundress of emotionally focused couples therapy. This is her seminal work, or her first major work that really introduced it to the world of marriage and family therapy. But she's put out a lot of things since, and really to the lay person, she's put out the Hold Me Tight. What we found, though, is that couples don't always do well just by reading the book. They need a guide to kind of walk them through the process, and that's what this two-day Hold Me Tight workshop and retreat is all about. I've also created a 5-night, 5-week, 1 night a week, obviously, for five nights over a 5-week period, kind of abbreviated Hold Me Tight. That is still effective if you can't make the 2-day retreat. But I want to focus on the 2-day retreat. The 2-day retreat is really set up so that you and your spouse have time to be together, not just listen to me talk. Yes, you'll hear from me, you'll hear from Candace, you'll hear from the other facilitators on the team. But it's really designed that once we present the information, we give you and your spouse adequate time to really walk through an exercise, to have a conversation about a specific topic, then to come back with the other couples who attend. And if you'd like, you can just hear what they have to say without sharing, or you can kind of process how that conversation went, the strengths, the weaknesses, what went right, what went wrong. And then we'll give another set of information and go deeper and let you have a deeper conversation with your spouse, and then a deeper one, and then a fourth deeper conversation on the first day. And then the second day when you come back, we still have 3 more conversations plus an exercise to do. That's really going to set you up to really recreating your marriage in a way that's renewed, reconnected, and more fulfilling. This Hold Me Tight for Christian couples is really laying the foundation that marriage was created by God so that the two people can be attuned to each other, a reflection of love with and for each other, and breaking out and being that love to the world, primarily to their kids, their family, and then to their community. If you are struggling in your marriage, this retreat is for you. If you're doing okay, but it could be better, this retreat is for you. And if you got a good marriage, but you want to make it better, this retreat is for you. Why can I say that for all 3 categories? Because even though the talks are general, you talk about what's going on in your relationship. And then there will be a few of us walking around during the conversation time where if you get stuck or you don't know how to have that conversation, we can help facilitate and guide it. We won't be doing therapy, but we'll be facilitating and helping you walk through that conversation. So please look at the link below. It's our upcoming workshop or retreat. It's our upcoming 5-evening session that's coming up. But I wanted to give you this information so that you can know what Hold Me Tight is, get a feel for it, and know that you are personally invited to attend. Please link below or click on the link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.